Let us start the remaining part of Chapter 2 Civics Democracy in India. Let us discuss about political parties and its functions. Political parties. A group of people who agree on some policies, formulate an agenda and program for the society with a view to promote collective good. Different political parties may have different ideologies on policies on how the government should be run. Political parties seek to implement these policies by winning popular support through elections. Let us discuss about different functions of political parties. First, they contest elections by putting up their selected candidates from different constituencies. Second, the political parties offer different policies and programs. Third, organize and hold election rallies and door-to-door campaign. Fourth, the party which gets maximum number of seats can make the government, and rest sit in opposition. Fifth, the majority party forms and run the government and takes big policy decisions. Sixth, play a decisive role in making laws of the country. Children, look at the picture in which you can see some chains which connect different political parties. It shows that different political parties join hands with each other to make the government, and that government is called coalition government. Let us discuss something more about it. What do you know about coalition government? A political party getting the majority of votes forms the government. If a situation arises that no political party gets enough members to form the government, then a few political parties join together to form the government. Now, what are the challenges faced by a coalition government? Running a coalition government is not an easy task. Different parties have their different policies, which result in many conflicts. The parties which formed the coalition had formulated a common minimum program, that is CMP, to run the government. Despite that, Manmohan Singh government had to face much opposition from the coalition partners. The communist parties had withdrawn support to the UPA government in July 2008. The coalition government are usually weak and unstable. Let us go through with the important key terms of the chapter. Secret ballot, a system of casting vote in secrecy so that no one knows for whom a person voted. It helps the voter cast his or her vote without any fear and pressure. Manifesto, outline of policies perform a political party to its electorate. Candidate, a person who wishes to contest in the elections and gets his name registered for the purpose. Majority, when an election is conducted, some political parties and a group of political parties has more number of seats as compared to others.